Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing only half of my face. And this is inspired by NikkieTutorials and her power of makeup. And like she said, makeup has no rules. It's just for fun. If you want to make yourself look like a completely different person, fine. If you just want to enhance a little bit, fine. You know, do it. Just whatever makes you happy. That's what makeup's about, right? So I just thought that was a cool idea, and I thought I would show you guys my half of my face completely done and the other half just me. If you guys want to see what that looks like, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so here is the finished half of the face. This is actually kind of fun to do, and like even for myself to just see, you know, like half done, half not. This is our finished side, full glam. And then here is our normal side. Everyday blemishes and everything. That's just how it is. So there was actually this guy that I was like kind of seeing, and he'd only seen pictures of me. And so like when I finally met him, he literally said to me, he's like, I don't know if like this is gonna work out because you don't look the same as your pictures. I'm like, no shit, bud. So I guess he wasn't used to seeing like minimal makeup. He was more used to seeing pictures of me like full glam, and I don't know, like you couldn't tell that's not what I looked like all the time. I don't know. his loss because that shit didn't work out. So yeah, this is the power of makeup. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was fun for me to do. Let me know if you guys recreate these. I'd love to see them. So please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on the little bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So until next time, always remember to be yourself. Bye guys.